Have you ever been online shopping and suddenly a pop up appears saying, "We found you the best discount"? Sounds great, right? But what if there's a catch? What if the deal isn't actually the best and instead a company is profiting off your purchase in ways you didn't expect? Today we're reviewing Honey app, a popular browser extension that promises to find and apply coupon codes to save you money. But is it really legit or is it just another shady business tactic disguised as a helpful tool? Before we dive in, keep in mind that everything in this video is based on research and opinion. This is not financial advice and it's up to you whether you want to use Honey or not. If you search Google for reviews about Honey, especially on Reddit, you'll come across comments like, "Honey is scamming creators and you." "Honey manipulates cookies and tracking to steal money from your favorite content creators." "Gold rewards are useless." "Customer service doesn't exist." One Reddit user even said, "I uninstalled this app not only because of this video, but also the fact that it never finds me any coupons I can use." But how much of this is true? And how exactly does Honey work? How does Honey make money? There have been investigations into how Honey operates, and it turns out they're not as honest as they claim. First, if you click on an affiliate link from a content creator to buy something, that creator is supposed to earn a commission from your purchase. But if you scan the site with Honey, it reloads the page to replace the creator's affiliate link with its own, meaning Honey takes the commission instead. That's not exactly consumer friendly behavior. Second, when Honey says, "We searched the internet and found you 5 codes," that's not really what's happening. Sellers decide which codes Honey is allowed to use, meaning you might actually find a better discount if you searched for codes manually. And let's be honest, when a company is spending millions to sponsor YouTubers and influencers, it's usually not out of pure generosity. Many of these companies turn out to be overpriced, misleading, and even exploitative. We've seen this pattern with VPN services, Audible, Squarespace, BetterHelp, and now Honey. What do users say? On Trustpilot, Honey has a 2.2 star rating from over 5,000 reviews. Some of the most common complaints include lying to the consumer to make them pay more even if they can't actually offer anything, shady practices causing small creators on YouTube to lose their commission. They replace affiliate links just to steal the commission away from the content creators. One user even claimed that Honey may be paying to have 1 star reviews deleted, which, if true, would be even more concerning, right? Now, according to paidfromsurveys.com, there are better cashback and discount platforms on Honey. While Honey does offer cashback, it's not available in all countries, and the accusations against them make it questionable whether it's worth using at all. Is Honey a scam? Technically, no. It does provide coupon codes and cashback in some cases, but a real question is it ethical? If you're looking to save money while shopping online, Honey is not your best option. You can often find better coupon codes through a quick Google search rather than relying on the limited ones Honey provides. And when it comes to cashback, there are more transparent and reliable platforms out there. Most importantly, if you want to support your favorite content creators, don't let Honey steal their commission. If they provide an affiliate link, use it directly instead of letting Honey take the cut. So, what do you think? Legit or shady? Let me know in the comments and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out future uploads. Thanks for watching and be careful when shopping online.